I'm Deborah. Last August, OPPO Malaysia have launched the OPPO Reno 4 and Joshua went to Penang without bringing me on. And here's the OPPO Reno 5 5G after 6 months. 2 weeks ago, I have attended the OPPO Reno 5 5G workshop in KL to have a first-hand experience with the smartphone. Big thanks to OPPO Malaysia for having me and Joshua for having 2-day 1-night staycation. Alright, let's unbox with me! Look at the back of the device. OPPO did mention that this color, which is galactic silver, is quite popular in China, and I think in Malaysian market will be popular as well. Take a closer look at this. The color will change on different angles and lighting, so it won't be a boring color for you and me. So sometimes you will see the color blue, orange, silver, pink as well. If you think you can't carry the galactic silver, no worries, because it also comes with the starry black color variants. Both of the back covers come with different material. For the galactic silver, it comes with a matte finishing, so it won't leave any fingerprint stain, but starry black will. So it depends on you want to use the phone case or not. Worth mentioning that the phone weight is different. For the silver variant is 180 grams, as for the black variant is 172 grams. So both of the devices is kinda light and the grip is comfortable as well. Personally, I will go for the galactic silver because of the diamond spectrum process technology that the company implemented, which make the color change and stylish as well. Maybe I can use the back cover and gain the attention from the guys. Turning back to the front, it features a 6.4-inch punch-hole AMOLED display, up to 90Hz of refresh rate and 180Hz of touch sampling rate. For basic usage, it is more than enough. Moving on to the test spec, it's for a Snapdragon 765G 5G chipset, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Running ColorOS 11.1 based on Android 11. Alright, it's time to review the camera spec. It features a 32MP selfie snapper and a quad rear camera with a 64MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, 2MP macro lens and 2MP mono lens. As for the camera features, it includes AI highlight video, dual view video, night flare portrait, AI portrait beautification video, AI scene enhancement, ultra night mode and ultra steady video 3.0. The AI highlight video feature is newly added feature on the OPPO Reno 5. It applies on both front and rear camera. According to OPPO, this is the first in the industry to use an AI algorithm to detect light conditions and automatically apply the required algorithm based on a different scene. It is also a combination of ultra night video and live HDR video. It means that when it detects the backlight, the device will automatically use the live HDR algorithm and in the dim light, change to ultra night video to ensure the shoot is still enough sharp, bright and natural. Talking about the dual view video, you definitely will think about the split screen, but this comes with a rectangle and round layouts, and you can drag it freely depending on your preference. This feature is suited for you to shoot on your daily vlog, pets, friends and family. As for the night flare portrait feature, it really surprised me that how well it makes whole night scenes stand out, especially on the lighting. And actually the day when we're shooting on the Saloma Bridge is kinda crowded, but thanks to the night flare portrait, it blurs out the crowd with the bokeh effect nicely. On top of that, I have tried out the portrait beautification video and it amazed me. It's like magic, it can remove all my flaws and my confidence level immediately boosts up. In the video here, you can see I got smooth skin, but in real life or the original camera, don't. Personally, I kinda sad because this device no longer has AI color portrait, but it is okay for me because the camera features still can satisfy me because it upgrades the dual view mode and the AI highlight videos. It is powered by a 4300mAh battery and supports 65W SuperVault 2.0 flash charge. According to OPPO, it can completely charge in 35 minutes. For me, this technology is still new, so it brings convenience to the people who always forget to charge their device and left their power bank behind. After all that I mentioned, what do you think about the price? As for now, when I'm shooting this, the price has not been unveiled yet, so I'm expecting this will less than 2K. Although I don't have the price, but I do have the pre-order details for you. So if you pre-order this device, and you can also receive gift that worth 397 ringgit, which includes OPPO Enco 11 worth 159 ringgit, phone case worth 129 ringgit, and extended 1-year warranty worth for 109 ringgit. Overall, I think this smartphone is suitable for the people who like to shoot photos or video. So if you want to start up a vlogger or influencer life but didn't want to buy a bulky camera, I think you can put it on your list. As for me, I think the design is nice and the camera is acceptable. But the only thing that I dislike is it didn't come along with the AI color portrait as before. Maybe the OPPO Reno 5 Pro will spot it? Let us know what do you think about the OPPO Reno 5, and don't forget to leave your comments below, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, goodbye, and don't miss me! Bye!